Kunjani.
That is so.
Thank you. Now, the charges were put to you, and then you pleaded. You offered your plea, and then the state started to need evidence to try and demonstrate your complicity in the commission of the offences that it alleges against you.
Bathi maqhamuka la ngaphambi kwenkusenkantolo ephakeme icala lenu ke naqhamuka kulona ke bese basho amacala ade benithwesa ngawo ke ngemuva kwalokho kwese waphincazela ukuthi icala yalivuma mhlawumbe walivumi ke bese ngemuva kwalokho ithimba labashushisi baqhamukisa ke lokho kade bethi wena ke ukhona ke isandla onaso ekuthizeni icala lenzeke nabanye futhi abasona.
That's all?
Akusenjalo yini?
Kunjani.
That is so.
Thank you. We've already dealt with the issue relating to the alleged confession that you made, the issue relating to the alleged pointing out that you made.
Athi sikhulumile ke ngodaba le statement esokuvuma ke icala usuthi confession ke ngolumi lesingisi lesabathu wena ke wasenza sabe futhi sakhuluma futhi ngodaba lwe pointing out usuthi la kade bajikisa khona noma mhlawumbe bakhombisa khona ke lezo ndathu bakhombisa zona sesiqedile ngalezo yakhumbula yini?
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, in a further endeavor by the state to prove your complicity in the commission of the offences that it preferred against you, they left the testimony of Constable Zungu.
Bathi ke ithimba noma ehlangothi labashushisi ehlangothi lombuso ekuthizeni baqhamukise ukuthi nawe onaso isandla ekushoneni kukaSentra kulecala leli ke lana esingalo la enkantolo khona ufakazi wabo ebambiza bathi ke Constable Zungu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. In a very detailed, in his very detailed testimony, Constable Zungu was amongst others referred to Exhibit S, which are the download photos that were retrieved from accused number 3's phone. And this was introduced as an exhibit in this case. They compiled a photo album which was handed in, this called as Exhibit S.
Athi ke umeli kulofaka phakathi kofakazi baka ufakazi okuzungu khona ke ithombe ade zidownloadiwe mhlawumbe bayithwebula phakathi kocingo lo noma makhalekhukhwini kaMsola wesithathu futhi okhona ngaphakathi kwimibukiso ka S usho Exhibit S usakhumula yini lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, you would recall that amongst others, Constable Zungu said you were with him at First Lawrence Hostel when there was, I don't know whether to call it a jamboree or a celebration of some nature, but there was an occasion that was happening there. There was drinking there. There was a frying of a meat there. It was just a celebration, you know. He says that is where he then met you, accused number 2, accused number 3, accused number 4, and accused number 5.
Bathi ukhumbule khona njalo ngesikhathi lesi uConstable Zungu kade ethula ke ufakazi bakhe washo khona njalo ukuthi yena ke wahlangana nawe eForsterus kwehostel la khona kade kuwe kumsola wesibili kumsola wesithathu umsola wesine futhi umsola wesihlanu futhi laphana ngesikhathi kade nihlanganele khona lapha kule ndawo kade nihlanganele kuyona ke athi kade nijabulisile kade nosake inyama futhi nazo neziphuzo eziphuzwayo abogoloko kanje.
Yebo ngiyakhumbula uZungu esho kanjalo.
Yes, I remember Zungu saying that.
Thank you. Now, before we go further or in detail with the analysis of Constable Zungu's evidence, I would want us to go through Exhibit S. And having gone through Exhibit S, then we will be clarifying certain aspects.
Ucathi manje kumele ukuthi sidinize kodaba lwezimibukiso lemibukiso ka S noma Exhibit S ekhona ke.
Yes, we've requested Mr. Makana to us. Yeah? Oh, Mr. Makaza, yes, to assist us with the filming of the photos as contained in Exhibit S as we'll be going through them.
Sorry, my lord. The witness is requesting this screening to be moved a little bit backwards so I can be able to see clearly.
Oh, okay. No.
Yeah, nalaba
He says even his other coaches they should be able to see.
Are you able to see?
yebo ngiyabona.
Yes,
Thank you.
I am.
Now, this is a photo album of pictures that the state decided to compile in its endeavor to augment what the Constable Zungu could have said about what his experiences were on the 26th of October 2014.
Bathi lahlanganiswe ke ithombe zonkana lezikhona ke nalezi Constable Zungu bakhuluma ngazo malana nezinto ke ezenzeka ngelanga lange-26 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014.
Thank you.
Yebo.
Now, and you have told the court when you introduce your testimony about your knowledge of accused number 1, accused number 2. No, number 1 is yourself. About your knowledge of accused number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5.
Bathi ngesikhathi boqala ukuthula ufakazi bakho busotshilile inkosi enkantolo mhlawumbe inkantolo ngolwazi lakho ke oluquka umsola wesibili, umsola wesithathu, umsola wesine, umsola wesihlanu.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you told to the court that you never knew accused number 3. You saw him for the first time when you appeared to him at court at Boksburg Court on 27 October 2020. So,
Bathi futhi usotshele inkosi inkantolo ukuthi umsola wesithathu kade ungamazi. Buqala ukumbona futhi buqala ukumazi ngesikhathi lesi bovele phambi kwenkantolo ngelanga lange-27 ngenyanga ka-October ngomnyaka 2020. Akusinjalo?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is so.
thank you. Now the state, for purposes of this trial, because this is what they deem to be relevant evidence in this trial, they compiled this photo album. Now I'm going to request you, and this is an exercise that the state went through with Constable Zungu, to look through these photos very meticulously and indicate to this court, as each picture is being shown to you, if you're able to identify yourself in any of the pictures that would be shown to you. Do you understand?
Uyacela ke ummeli ukuthi manje ke uthathe isikhathi sakho ubheke ithombe lezi futhi ugcinize kuzona uyibheke ngokujulile. Usho ukuthi ngabe wena ke uyakhona ukuyibona phakathi kwezithombe lezi utshengakala khona mhlambe kutshengisile kuzona ithombe lezi. Uyakuzwa?
Yeah.
Yes, I do understand.
Now, I'm not so sure. Yes. We will will be starting with the very first photo, Mr. Makaza. Very, very, very first photo. Yes.
Kuyabonakala kodwa
What do you see there? Can you see yourself in that picture?
Bathi lesithungo sokuqala esivelile ngabe yakhona ukuyibona kusona yini?
cha.
No.
Thank you.
Sorry, what's the number of the first one?
It's only, it's photo number 3, man. I think there's a number there.
Mr. Baloyi, is that
Oh,
correct?
it's page 3. Yes.
So it means page 3
Yes.
of the album.
Yes.
Okay.
So you say you are unable to identify yourself in the picture, not so?
Bathi wena ukuthi ze awutshenga akukho la ubonakala khona kule sithombe lesi akusinjalo?
Akukho.
Yes, that is so.
Thank you. Let's go to page 4.
Acela sekwi page 4.
What is your comment?
Ngabe yini ongafisa ukuyisho ngalesithombe lesi esijangala njengamanje?
Asikho sami isithombe lapha.
I am not depicted on that photo.
No, man, I'm not talking about your photo in that photo. Are you able to identify yourself in that photo now?
Bathi ngabe yakhona ukuyibona kule sithombe lesi?
Cha.
No.
So you're not there in that photo.
Shuthe ngamagama ke wena awujengakali kule sithombe lesi mawuvelile kule sithombe lesi.
Angivelanga.
Thank you.
I am not there on that photo.
Let's go to page number 5.
But we kasi less 5.
What is your comment?
Yini ongafisa ukuyisho?
Angiveli kulesi sithombe la.
I am not shown on that picture. No, I am not depicted on that photo.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 6.
But kwisithombe sesithupha, isithombe sesi-6.
Angiveli kulesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted also on this picture.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 7.
But kwisithombe sesi-7.
Angiveli kulesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 8.
But isithombe sesi-8.
Angikho kulesi sithombe la.
I am not there on that picture.
Let's go to photo number 9.
But isithombe sesi-9.
Angikho kulesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted on that photo.
Thank you. You know, Mr. Sweer, I'm observing something here. Your hands are always at the back. Why is that so?
Athumeli khona ke ndiyacaphile ke mnumzana la
You
kuwena
said
ke.
you started to testify on Monday in the box there. Your hands are always at the back. So that's an observation that is striking me. That's the reason why, you know, my conscience says never, but you cannot keep quiet with that observation. Why is that so?
Athi khona ke into
I'm not saying
ecaphile,
take them
Mary.
back. I'm just very curious to know.
Athi nje ikhona into angakhona ukuthi ayiyeke nje kuphela mayelana nezandla zakho futhi solo uqalile uthula ufakazi bakho ke kusukela ngomsombuluko solo ubeke izandla zakho lana ke emuva futhi akusinto engayishaya nje undivo la ngayinaki kungani nje
What is that
unjalo?
Anginazizathu.
I don't have a reason.
Okay, you know, I thought maybe, but let me move on. Page number 9, do you see yourself there?
But kusithombe sesi-9 ngabe uyazibona yini?
Angikho.
I am not depicted on
Thank you.
photo number
I'm not
9.
saying remove them. If you feel comfortable, you can take them back.
Athi akathi zisusi izandla zakho ngemuva kepha uma uzizwa ukhululekile ukuthi zibe semuva ungana uzibuyisele emuva futhi
Do you
izandla zakho.
understand?
Yazwisisa yini?
Yezwe sisi.
Thank you.
Yes, understood.
Page number 10.
Isithombe sesi-10.
Angikho la.
I am not depicted
Thank you.
in photo number 10.
On page number, photo page number 11.
Isithombe sesi-11.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 11.
Thank you. Page photo number 12.
But isithombe sesi-12.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 12.
On page number 13.
Isithombe sesi-13.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted also in this photo.
On page number 14.
Isithombe sesi-14.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 14.
On page number 15.
Isithombe ses 15.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in this photo.
Thank you. On page number 16, what is your comment?
Wathi kwisithombe ses 16 yini ongafisa ukuthi uyisho ngaso?
Angikho lapha.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Mr. Swear, it must not be custom for you to say Angiko futhi lapho. You just have to look at the photo and analyze it and it's very sincere that you're not there. Do you understand?
Uyacela ke ummeli ungasho kuphela ukuthi awukho lapha. Ucela ukuthi ubuke isithombe lesi ngokujulile futhi usibukisise kahle. Usho ukuthi yini oyibonayo kule sithombe noma uyiqaphile kule sithombe lesi.
No, I'm not saying you should say what is it that you see. But that just don't have to say Angiko lapha. Angiko lapha. I mean, if it's a song, it's not a song. You'll have to look at a picture, analyze it, and say I am there or I am not there.
Athi akungabi ke iculo lakho ukuthi hayi cha mina ngikho lapha kepha buka isithombe usibuke eqala futhi usibukisise bese uyabuya uyasho ukuthi cha angikho lapha
Do you understand?
yazwisisa ke
Ngiyazwisisa.
Thank you.
Understood.
Do as I request you then to do.
cha ukuthi wenze njengoba ecela ke ummeli.
Right. This is picture number 16.
Isithombe ses 16 ke lesi.
Yes, picture number 16.
Isithombe ses 16 yini ubonayo kusona noma wena ukhona kusona mawukho.
Angikho kule sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Thank you. Photo picture number page 17.
Bathi kwisithombe ses 17.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Picture number photo 18.
Isithombe ses 18.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
That is page 19.
Isithombe ses 19.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
That is page 20.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted on this photo.
Page 21.
Isithombe ses 21.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted on photo number 21.
Page 22.
Isithombe ses 22.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 22.
Page number 23.
Isithombe ses 23.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 24.
Isithombe ses 24.
Look at it and look at
Cela ukuthi uyibheke bese ke ukhulume noma ukuthi usibhekile isithombe lesi.
Angikho.
No, I am not there on that photo. I am not shown on this photo.
Thank you. Page number 25.
Isithombe ses 25. Cela usibheke bese uyasho ukuthi ngabe wena ukhona kusona noma awukho kusona.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 26.
Isithombe ses 26.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 27.
Isithombe ses 27.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
28. I'm not so sure whether the photo can be rotated to give us a proper view of its content. Just a second, our technician is trying to rotate the photo. Okay, but are you able to see that photo?
Ayakhona
Yebo,
ayakhona
ngiyasibona.
usibona isithombe lesi mnumzana?
It will not be minded even if you twist your neck or you bend your neck just to have a proper view of that photo in order to establish whether or not you're in that photo as well.
Athi akhluphi mhlawumbe ngathi ukushintshanyana kancane intamo yakho bese ubuka isithombe leso sibukisise kahle ke kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe yini oyibona mhlawumbe ngabe wona ukhona kusona mhlawumbe awukho kusona.
Angiyasibona isithombe angikho kuso.
I
Thank you.
do see the picture and I am not depicted on the photo,
That was photo number 28. Let's go to photo number 29.
but say isithombe says
What's
29.
your comment?
Yini ngafisa ukusho isithombe mayelana nesithombe says 29.
Angikho kuso.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 29.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 30.
Athi isithombe says 30.
What's your comment?
Yini ngafisa ukusho ngesithombe lesi?
Angikho kuso.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Go to photo number 31.
But isithombe says 31.
Angikho futhi kuso.
No, I am not there in photo number 39. 31, I mean.
Photo number 32.
But isithombe says 32.
Angikho futhi.
No, I am also not depicted in photo number 32.
Thank you. Photo number 33.
But isithombe says 33.
Angikho futhi kuso.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 33.
Thank you. Photo number 34.
But isithombe says 34.
Angikho futhi kuso.
I am also not depicted in photo number 34.
Thank you. Now, photo number 35. It's a compilation of so many faces there, but just with a thorough look if you are unable to identify yourself.
Athi lapha kusithombe says 35 khona ke ikhangiso zabantu mhlawumbe usuku abantu obuningi futhi obuhlukene wabhlanganisile. Manje cethu ubuke kahle futhi ubukisise kahle ngokujulile usho ukuthi yabo mhlawumbe wena ukhona lapha kusona noma awukho yini.
Angikho futhi kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on this set picture.
Yes, Mr. Sbiya, as you're saying, I can't go to the parameters in Israel. Thank you.
Yes.
Photo number 36.
Isithombe says 36.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Photo number 37.
Isithombe says 37.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on the photo.
Photo number 38.
Isithombe says 38.
Angikho futhi.
No, I am also not depicted in. I am not depicted in photo number 38.
In photo number 39.
Angikho futhi.
I am also not depicted in photo number 39.
Thank you. Photo number 40.
Isithombe says 40.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted on the photo.
Thank you.
I am not depicted in photo number 41.
Photo number 42.
Isithombe says 42.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted on that picture.
Photo number 43.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in that picture.
Photo number 44.
Isithombe says 44.
Again, have
Cela
a
ukuthi
very accurate look there.
uyacela ke ummeli futhi ukuthi ubuke isithombe lesi futhi usibukisise kahle.
Hayi cha, angikho.
No, I am not depicted in this photo.
Photo number 45. Yeah?
Isithombe says 45.
Just a second.
Asinje umzuzwana owodwa noma emibili.
Yes, that was 44. Let's go to photo number 45. blank. Okay, no, it's fine. My lord, our technician is informing me that the memory stick that we got that we received from the state is blank insofar as photo number 45 is concerned, but nonetheless, I would request that this witness to have a look at this and then just try to identify if it's there.
athi-ke umeli isithombe lesi
I think the court is going to
i-technician iyasho khona njalo ukuthi asitshengakali laphaya
It's what is contained in photo number 45.
ukuthi ubuke kulawa makhasi la ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe ukhona yini kwisithombe ses-45 noma awukho usibuke kahle futhi usibukisise ungajahi ungagijimi.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted. I am not there.
Thank you. Photo number 46.
Isithombe ses-46
Yes, that one.
lezi esivelile njengamanje kulesi khangiso.
Angikho la.
No, I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Photo number 47.
Isithombe ses-47
I think it is also blank. You can recourse to the. That's photo number 47.
Angikho la.
No, I am not depicted on that picture.
Thank you, ma'am. So my cars are still together. Thank you. That was photo number 47. Photo number 48.
But isithombe ses-48
No. You go back a bit. The photo just before that one.
Yes,
That was photo number 47. Yes. Photo number 48.
but isithombe ses-48
Yes, that one.
lesi
What's
esivelile
your
njengamanje.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted in that photo.
Thank you. Photo number 49.
Isithombe ses-49
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Thank you. Hey. Now I've got other photos here. Photo number 91. I don't know where they are coming from, but you can have a look on this one. This is photo number 91. The other one is photo number 175.
Athi khona-ke ezinye izithombe nazo lapha-ke nasithombe ses-91 lesiyi-something 75.
And this is 175. You can have a look at this very last two photos.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.